Prince Andrew and Virginia Giuffre have reached an out-of-court settlement in her sexual assault lawsuit against the royal. According to documents filed Tuesday in New York by David Boies, Giuffre's attorney, the two parties will file a dismissal upon Giuffre's receipt of the settlement, the amount of which is not being disclosed. Giuffre alleges she was trafficked by convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein and forced to have sex with Prince Andrew on 3 occasions when she was 17. Andrew has repeatedly denied any wrongdoing. Prince Andrew intends to make a substantial donation to Ms. Giuffre's charity in support of victims' rights, the document stated. Prince Andrew has never intended to malign Ms. Giuffre's character, and he accepts that she has suffered both as an established victim of abuse and as a result of unfair public attacks. It continued, "It is known that Jeffrey Epstein trafficked countless young girls over many years. Prince Andrew regrets his association with Epstein, and commends the bravery of Ms. Giuffre and other survivors in standing up for themselves and others. He pledges to demonstrate his regret for his association with Epstein by supporting the fight against the evils of sex trafficking, and by supporting its victims." Prince Andrew's representatives in the UK had no further comment. In January, Prince Andrew's attorneys argued to dismiss the lawsuit after it was revealed that Epstein had reached a $500,000 settlement with Giuffre, in which she agreed not to sue any other potential defendant. Judge Lewis A. Kaplan of the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York refused to grant the royals' motion to dismiss. In a previous statement shared with, Giuffre said, "I am holding Prince Andrew accountable for what he did to me. The powerful and rich are not exempt from being held responsible for their actions. I hope that other victims will see that it is possible not to live in silence and fear, but to reclaim one's life by speaking out and demanding justice." On January 13, Buckingham Palace released a statement regarding Andrew's royal status, saying he was stripped of his military affiliations and royal patronages. With the Queen's approval and agreement, the Duke of York's military affiliations and royal patronages have been returned to the Queen, the palace announced. The Duke of York will continue not to undertake any public duties and is defending this case as a private citizen. The decision was widely discussed within the senior ranks of the royal family, a royal source confirms to, likely meaning talks between Queen Elizabeth, Prince Charles, and Prince William. Prince Andrew, 61, will likely retain his title as the Duke of York and keep his place in the line of succession to the throne, which is currently ninth behind Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's 2 children. However, he will no longer use the style His Royal Highness in any official capacity.